Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Gmail, signed into the exact account you want to modify. Click the gear icon in the top right and choose See All Settings or use Quick Settings to access theme options. You need an image ready, JPG or PNG under 2 MB and preferably landscape. This helps the image fit without distortion. Once those basics are complete, move to Themes and select Customize. Doing that lets you control placement and background blur, so the header remains readable as you continue. Now you choose Themes and select Set Theme, then pick My Photos or upload a photo to import your background. You must then adjust position and scale so key parts of the image aren't obscured by UI elements, move or zoom the image, and use the brightness or vignette sliders to keep text legible. Make sure to preview how labels and message text contrast with the image. Once you see a clean preview in both light and dark, confirm the selection so changes apply. Finish by clicking Save or Apply and give Gmail a moment to sync the new background across your browser and devices. This is why you should check mobile separately. If the image looks cropped or blurry, re-upload using a landscape 16:9 crop or reduce file size. Gmail compresses large files and that can harm quality. If you don't see updates, clear your browser cache or reload Gmail and make sure no extension is blocking themes. That single troubleshooting step fixes most display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.